The Miller CFS-2 900 tool is a fiber optic stripper used to strip 900 and 250 micron buffer coating to expose 125 micron cladded fiber. The CFS-2 900 has a second hole for stripping 2 to 3 millimeter fiber jackets and comes preset from the factory. No adjustments necessary. All stripping surfaces on the CFS-2 900 are manufactured to precise tolerances to assure a clean, smooth strip that will not scratch or nick glass fiber. To begin using the CFS-2 900, grasp the tool firmly. Close the tool around the jacket and strip off the jacket material. Using a Kevlar cutter, cut the Kevlar strength members. Ripley offers a variety of Miller Kevlar cutters such as the FOKC, KS1, 86.5 SF, and KC699, all of which will provide a positive cutting action of the Kevlar fibers in all fiber optic cables. Once the jacket is removed in the Kevlar cut, insert the fiber into the small notch, closing the tool perpendicular onto the fiber. Close completely, but there is no need to over-squeeze the handles. Draw the tool toward the end of the fiber, exerting steady pressure. We recommend several short strips of approximately 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters to achieve the desired finished length. As an option, Ripley also offers the CFS-2 fiber optic stripper for stripping 250 micron buffer coating to expose 125 micron cladded fiber. The Miller CFS-2 and CFS-2 900 fiber optic strippers provide an ergonomic and accurate way to effectively strip various buffer coatings to get the job done efficiently and with the utmost precision.
Find out more at Vicom's website.